Here we go with my first unboxing video. I'm not going to tell you my name, but I'm just trying this out. So we'll see how it goes and then I'll go on from there. I just got two mystery boxes from Airsoftgi. It was their Black Friday edition. So I got one which looks like a rifle, one like a pistol. I was hoping I wouldn't get any of the pistols this time, but you never know, it might be something good. Maybe it's the autographed one. So let's go. Alright. Of course, get paper. Oh, and it is the Terran Tactical paper. C7 Viper. I'll send this to you. And a letter from the Airsoftgi team. Thank you for supporting Airsoftgi and being our valued customer. For your airsoft needs, show your nerve by posting a picture on Instagram and tag us. We will share your picture, become a member of the Mayo Gang. Wow, that's the first time I've gotten one of those, so that's pretty cool. I've been giving these guys a hard time on social media. Lonely little old me. But it is 2 weeks later to the day that I got this, so let's see what we have here. Oh, cool. Yes, we do have the Terran Tactical High Kappa. This looks just almost exactly like the Baba Yaga that I got. So, does look nice. Has the high cap magazine, and it is green gas. Nice. So I will definitely have to try this one out. And yes, sorry for the background and stuff. I got kicked out of my tech room, so we'll see about that. Nice one about this one, the boxes were only 145. I forget what they marked the Terran Tactical at. But unfortunately, it's not the autographed one. So we'll have to see what this one is. So, open this one. I did get the modern airsoft one, but I'm not going to review that one for somewhat personal reasons. And then we got another one of the letters from Airsoftgi. Like I said, that's the first one. Oh, looks like we got an Echo 1 box here. So, set all that aside. And which one did we get? The JP30 Bravo. Let's open her up and see how she looks. And Echo 1, as usual, is packed nicely. And this is almost exactly like the one I got from Modern Airsoft. So, we got Troy. Actually, this one is not as bad. It's the Simulated Training Weapon System. Yes, I was in the military. I was in the military for 6 years. Oh, not bad. Oh, looks like they did send nickel metal 1100 milliamp. Luckily for me, I just bought a few other ones. But this isn't too bad looking, you know. It really isn't. I'm kind of surprised. Stock. It does have the orange tip, which definitely I have a lot of different ones. It is a short barrel rifle. Not too keen on that, but I do need one. It's full semi-auto. So it did come with the battery. Looks like it came with a high cap mag, charger. Not too sure about these chargers though, they kind of scare me. And it looks like it came with the foregrip. So, I'm not used to having a foregrip or a hand stop. I'm used to those things. I got long arms, so it's not bad. So, one rifle, one pistol. The pistol I know will go to good use. I got my brother into airsoft, so he's needing a good pistol. I built him his little CQB gun. I'm more of a long range type guy. To be honest, I didn't start airsoft until after COVID. I have several guns, built 3 of them, but I haven't played once yet. So it's definitely a different story, but it's been a fun one. So hopefully one of these days my brother can get out and I can get out there and we can play some games. That'd be kind of nice. We play around in the backyard and stuff, but it's kind of hard to do out here in the desert in the summer. So let me know what you guys think, and give me some honest feedback. Like I said, if I'm not doing good at it, there isn't anything really that I want to improve on, that I may not continue doing it, or I might. Just give me some straight up criticism. I'll be straight up with you if you're straight up with me. Okay, so I just opened the mystery boxes, and I opened up the Terran Tactical. I started looking at it. Well, I went in and I got my Baba Yaga. And I was like, wow, you know what? It's got the same looking grip, same looking slide. Holy cow, it's even got the same looking barrel. So, I was like, wow, let's go get the Terran. Wait a second. Which one's which? You can't tell. You can't? Oh, yeah, you can. I'm sorry. This one says Combat Master and has the Terran Tactical logos on it. But look, hey, if I had a white marker, I could put Terran Tactical on there. I could make it look identical. Well, I guess one of these I'm going to try and make full auto in. Probably the Baba Yaga. But the only thing is now you got to go buy a barrel. Because if you want to run a tracer unit, this doesn't have a threaded barrel. They both have the same rail underneath. Terran Tactical has the orange. Baba Yaga has the green. Baba Yaga does have the reticles in the back, or the dots in the back. Terran Tactical, no. Both weigh about the same. Magazines are interchangeable. There's Terran Tactical. Baba Yaga. Like I said, I haven't been in this for very long, so if they're both made by the same company, wow. Terran Tactical. Baba Yaga. Let's try the mag. I know there's green gas in this one. It's not loaded. Nothing in the chamber. And behind here I do have my targets. I stand way back there. And I have a big trap right there for all the BBs. So while it's hotter than heck outside, I can still do it. So I may have to load it up and see how easy it is. I've already short stroked this one. Maybe I'll short stroke this one instead, make this short stroke this one also, and make the Baba Yaga just full auto. I've seen a video on it. I started to do it, but it keeps getting stuck, so keeps getting stuck in the back position. Every time I do it, it gets stuck. The hammer, I don't know if I missed something or what, but it doesn't, it just gets stuck every time. So, Terran Tactical Combat Machine, or Combat Master, excuse me, and Baba Yaga. Same or different? One's got a name on it, one doesn't. So, that's it. If any of you guys have any suggestions on how to fix the, let me show you here. The hammer gets stuck every time, right there. I have to go in and pull it down. I don't know what's causing it. Like I said, I've only watched the videos to do it, so. But if you guys have any tips, let me know. It's been fun. It's been real. And it's been real fun. Thanks, guys.